So this one here is a battery powered motion security light. There we go right there. Nice box. It says that it's model JY2318. LED 240 LEDs. Power 7 watts. Lumens 1500 lumens. I don't have a lumen tester, so I won't be testing the lumens on there. Sensing time every 20 seconds. Uh, Direction angle is 160 degrees. Sense distance is 15 meters. And the IP rating is IP65. The IP is waterproof. So it is a waterproof light. So the company is AIXPI. You know, it's just a generic box, nothing special. Uh, Obviously, you're looking at this, and that's why you're looking at the review. So I'm going to open it up. So right off the bat, just looking inside the box, it is very well packed. It does come with its own little screwdriver, even though I'll be using a bigger one than that, unless that is for the battery door. One thing that I was looking at is batteries doesn't come with this thing. There's the mounting hardware, so you get everything that you need. Let's see, is there a manual in here? So you get a little manual. So thank you for your purchase of our product. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us. And then here is their email address. And then we provide a 12-month warranty. So, and then again, it is their little manual instructions right here. I'm gonna put that back in the box. So nice bubble wrapped. They do have two colors. They have a black and a white. I opted in for the white one. Not heavy, so that's a plus right there. Okay, so whenever you mount it, you have this right here, and it clips onto it. Let me get it back on correctly here. So that clips. So now it doesn't come nowhere. You got to actually push the tab. So if we look right here, push the tab and then pull forward, and that's how you're going to take it down. So here's the mounting. So this is actually where how I'm going to mount it is I'm going to mount it sideways, or you can mount it flat up on the ceiling or sideways on your wall. I will be doing a test as soon as it becomes nighttime tonight. I'll actually do a nighttime test. You can move your sensor to however you want your sensor to further down or further up. You can move your lights outward. That way it lights up different things, which would be one of my pluses that I'm going to like is that as well. Or you can keep it all out where all the light is directed one direction. I'm going to like multiple directions. That way it lights up the area around my apartment. That way if the one camera gets too blinded, my other cameras will still see and I still get my full color image. The battery compartment is held down by 6 screws. So we're going to go ahead and take those 6 screws out. It does take, I believe, 3 or 4 C batteries. We're going to find out here in just a sec, as soon as I take this off. Okay, so I got the battery compartment off. It does take 3, let's see, is it C? Looks like it takes 3 D batteries. My apologies. It takes 3 D batteries. So I got to go grab some D batteries real quick. Here's the seal inside of it. If you can see that black seal right there. And it has a really good inset. So where it goes down in there, and that is to keep the water out of it. That's really nice for a cheap, you know, floodlight here. That is actually not too bad. I mean, you got so many different angles on here, man, that you can actually move this. But I would like it mine on the ceiling, like this right here on the ceiling. And then I need to make sure that this right here can move for the sensor, because this is what senses the motion. And then you have your light. So, but yeah, I want it on there. That way when people walk up to the apartment, this is shining down. I want this one right here. Oh, well, that's even cooler. Look at that. These actually turn. They swivel to different directions. That's going to be actually really, really nice now. Wow, I'm getting more and more excited about installing this thing and seeing what it looks like tonight. All right, so I got it all installed. It's up there. It's nighttime now, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to walk around the corner just so it goes away. It takes about 20 seconds for it to go off. This right here is just perfect. I really do like it. I played around with it before I hung it up in the bathroom to see how the motion sense worked. You know, went in the bathroom, closed the door so it was dark. But yeah, picks up really good distance too, but not too far. Okay, so it goes off. So now here I am walking. And see, I just barely got to the phone. So I am roughly, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 3 is 15, so 15 feet away. Again, I can also adjust the lights and what direction I want them. If I think it's too much one way, I can sit here and I can turn that up or turn that one up, or I can put this one down, that one out. I can also move the sensor further down. So I'm going to go ahead and move the sensor further down right here, so it's facing down more, and because I don't really need it to come on when it's like way back here where I had the phone. Okay, all in all, for $30, I think it's really worth $30 in my book. I kind of do wish that, you know, it was had a built-in battery, because by the time I buy me some rechargeable batteries, because I'm not just going to be spending batteries, but by the time I spend it, it's going to be about $20 for some rechargeable batteries, you know. So I think, you know, $20 difference would have saved on buying the batteries, whatnot, and it had a rechargeable. But then you have to worry about charging them, where you can just go buy the batteries, drop batteries in, and you're done, right? So that right there is just a small caveat to it. Other than that, I mean, I really like it. I am going to give this thing a 5-star review. I think that, you know, this is probably one of the best cheaper light systems, and very bright enough for, you know, $30 here on Amazon. I hopefully this company has some other stuff. I'm going to look up some more things from this company, because I mean, I kind of like this. Maybe they have a good flashlight, you know. But no, all in all, I really think this is worth your money here in 2025. And it helps keep your family safe at the same time too. So I think that a lot of people should have stuff like this. Again, like I said, I'm just in an apartment. Oh, and by the way, I did use double-sided tape on them. So I am going to get some Velcro though. I will get some Velcro put on there, but I did double-sided tape, that way my apartments can't say I drilled stuff in here. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope this helped your buying decision.